Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment. Make sure your OS updates are installed, because missing system patches can block browser updates. Once done, close unused tabs and disable heavy extensions to free memory and avoid update errors. Now, open Microsoft Edge from the Start menu or dock, click the three-dot menu at top right, and choose Settings. This first actionable move puts you directly into the browser controls where updates are managed and verified. You go to Settings, then About Microsoft Edge, because that screen forces a version check and reveals the current build. Edge will automatically find and download available updates. Watch the progress indicator so you know it's active. If an update requires a restart, make sure to save work first, then click Restart to apply the update. This completes the core update flow, and you understand why checking about both triggers and verifies the process, ensuring you're on the latest secure build. You finish by confirming the version shown in About matches the latest release. Reopen any pinned tabs and confirm extensions behave correctly. If the update fails, clear Edge's cache and temporary files, then disable extensions that may block installation. These steps often resolve conflicts. If problems persist, use Windows settings to repair Microsoft Edge or reinstall the browser to reset corrupted files. One key troubleshooting tip: restart your computer before repair. Many update issues resolve after a clean reboot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.